Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your World App account if you don't have a backup. Start by opening the World App on your device. When the welcome screen appears, make sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions so you can continue. After that, the app will usually show your account on the login screen. Tap on your account when it appears. After, the app will ask you to enter your password. If you remember your password, simply type it in to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This process will guide you through the steps you need to recover access. If your account does not appear on the login screen, try typing it in manually. Enter the email or account name that you used when creating your World App account, then enter your password. This can help if your account doesn't show up by itself. If you don't see your account at all, it usually means you didn't enable the backup feature, and this makes it very difficult to log back in. World App does not have a traditional password reset or ID recovery system. If your account is restricted, you can try contacting support through their official website, but recovery without a backup is often not possible. That's all for this tutorial, and thanks for watching.